Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Xcode, Swift toolchain, and package manager alignment. Once done, run Swift version and compare with project settings to avoid ABI mismatches. Next, open package, Swift or pod file, and confirm dependency versions. This prevents executor mismatch at runtime. Make sure to enable the new concurrency flags and module stability in build settings so executors load correctly. Finally, clean derived data and rebuild. This clears stale artifacts that often cause injection failures. You now diagnose the middle of the process. Read the runtime stack and identify the failing executor symbol. Once identified, check symbol visibility and make the function public, or export it with @obj or @cdecal as appropriate. This fixes loader visibility issues. Next, verify framework slices include the target architecture and match bitcode and optimization settings across modules. Rebuild the failing framework, then relink the app so the correct executor binary is injected at launch. You finish by validating the fix. Run the app with address sanitizer and verbose loader logging enabled to catch remaining issues. Once done, test on both simulator and device across the target OS versions to ensure consistent executor injection. If the error persists, make a minimal repro, then incrementally revert recent changes to isolate the offending commit. One key troubleshooting tip: if executors fail only on device, verify code signing and entitlements. They frequently block dynamic injection even when everything else appears correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.